How to use screensaver on Google Pixel phone. This will basically show the clock and some useful information when your phone is charging and turned off. So to get started, first go to settings, click on settings, then type in the search screensaver. So it will show on top screensaver. Click on it, and then here you can turn it on. Turn on. There's multiple options. There's this option where it will show basically the clock and the time. You can click preview to see it. This is how it's going to show. And there's also this option, will show colors basically. Click preview, and that's how it's going to show. And then you can add photos and customize it however you like. That's it for the video. If you find it helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.